Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm in Hamburg, Germany, and you can see it way down there. It's called the Elbe Philharmonic, which is like the Philharmonic thing, and we're gonna walk along this red brick district here and go to this thing, and it's like a sail or a like an iceberg, they said, or it's got different shapes, and it's like on top of a brick building. And so I bought a ticket and I'm ready to go, and let's go take a look and see what we get here. Let's see if I can do this. I think that worked. There we go. And so that's it right there. Can you see that? And you can see the building, how it looks like a wave, and it's kind of interesting. But it is these red brick district here, which is pretty amazing as well. Nord event over there. And the water looks pretty skanky, but I think that's life. But anyway, okay, we're walking down that way. So let's go get to that building. I love the green things on top of this building here. And I'll tell you something else. I have a coat on, and it is cold as hell. I didn't know it was going to be 30 degrees, but it certainly is cold. Anyway, so you don't need to walk with me this whole way. So let me put this camera away and I'll get a little closer and then we can talk. But at least now you can see the building a little better. Let me zoom in a titch if I can. And there it is. You can see it. Very cool. Okay, everybody, off to the races. Okay, there it is. And you can see all the people lined up on that top part. So it's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10-story house type scenario with the glass wave building on top. So that's where I'm headed, and so let's see what it looks like. And I'm busting on a red light here, so we'll see. And I don't know. They said the escalator in this place was amazing. They said the inside was amazing. So I guess we'll see what we get. So I'm gonna cross while it's green. So very cool. Wow. It certainly is amazing. Phew. Okay, something smells a little less than friendly. I wonder if they have something to read here. But you can see the people up there and how big this building is. I mean, it is friggin' enormous. Yeah, wow. That's crazy. Crazy. And does it say anything about it? No, it's too hard to read. Okay, well, let's get a little closer and see what we can find. Okay, bye everybody. Okay, so I'm thinking this is a major attraction. There's lots of kids here and lots of places and tickets and everything else. So I don't know where you go from here, but I guess I'm gonna go get in line. I mean, I have a ticket, but I guess I need to ask this guy. Let me get inside and I'll come back. Bye. Okay. All right, here we go. So here's the famous escalators to get up there. And this is to the plaza. And they've got mirrors or little round circle-y things. Oh, we're gonna enjoy this. I paid. This was the highlight. It certainly is huge. I don't know, I still think one of the neatest escalators I ever rode was that one in Paris that was like a quarter mile long. It was just silly, up like ungodly amounts of stairs. Like, I don't know, it was huge, but I'm not walking this. I'm taking my time. Okay, stop rushing me. Oh, come on, you can sit a couple seconds and see the whole ride. You're fine. And that's what it looks like behind us. And this is still what it looks like in front of us. All right, I'll climb a little bit. Wait. And it's funny, the steps get shorter. So, because we're going at an angle. Do you see how the stairs are like little tiny They used to be really big at the bottom, but now they're tiny. And now I can do like 3 or 4 of these. Okay, interesting. Maybe that's why it's unique. Because now they're flat. Okay, interesting, interesting. Okay. Wow, is there no rail to this? Get out of here. Tell me there's a glass in front of that. Wow. Is there another one? Get out of here. Oh, I guess there is. Okay. Very cool. I mean, it really is an enormous building. I wonder if I get to see inside the opera house or the concert hall or whatever we're calling it. So this is certainly not wheelchair friendly by any stretch of the imagination. Wow. Very cool. All right. Wow. Wow. I guess you can walk all the way around. Wow, we are way up here too, I'll tell you. Wow. All right, well, I guess I'm gonna walk around with you. Let's do it. And it looks like they have restaurants and stuff in there. So the port here is fairly industrious. Industrious. Look at his hat too. Those are cute hats. Wow, okay, so that's where I came from. That's the church I first saw, St. Nicholas. That's the second church, St. What's her name? Catherine. Wow. Well, here's Hamburg, everybody. Look at those apartments over there. How amazing. To be rich with a balcony, huh? Oh, those seats are lights. I guess it depends what your need is, huh? Okay. And there's the canal. Can you imagine that place right there? You can see right in those people's houses. Oh, she's eating cereal. Wow. There's certainly a lot of people, pardon me, up here for sure. Wow, and the cruise ship is down that way somewhere. Is this just over water? Wow. Alright, how many kids have jumped? Ausgang, I think that's exit, right? We're not Ausganging yet. We just interganged. Oh, Eric, you're so funny. Look at that cruise ship way over there too. That's amazing. Bunch of high school kids. Let's see if they notice I'm filming. Excuse me. Sorry. Oh my gosh, and more people. Oh, they're doing a photo op. I'll go around there. How's that sound?
Mit König der Löwen drauf.